Hey, how's it going, everybody? Mopar Mike over at Nielsen Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram. Want to do a quick video showing you guys how to turn on or off your automatic emergency braking or forward collision warning. So come take a look. So when you get in your Wrangler, it's going to look something like this. You're going to want to go to your vehicle tab. You're going to want to make sure you go to your settings. And then you're going to see the automatic emergency braking right up top there. So you're going to want to go ahead and click that. Now, in our situation here, you'll see that if I zoom in here, the forward collision warning light is off. You'll see all these other lights on right now. It's only because I'm actually inside the dealership, so I don't want to gas everybody out by having the vehicle actually running. So going back over here, you're going to go ahead and see that you want to see where it says forward collision warning off. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to this setting here, and you're going to want to make sure that if you don't want the lights on, that warning and active braking is selected. So you'll see that is now selected. Now when you go back, you'll see that it says warning and active braking is now selected. So now you'll notice when you go back over here that that light has now disappeared. So that is how you turn it on. Now you just do the same exact procedure in reverse, just going back here and then turning it off if you want that feature off. If you have any questions, reach out to me, and remember, it's Mopar No Car.